Go.
I'll show you the mix and match Dr. Heath. So this is the front of the box and this is the back of the box. So you can make it a screwdriver like that. This is how they're supposed to look like. And it says you can put that there. So let's open this. This is one of the handles. See how the nice script for it. And this one has a little speaker on it for the sound. And this is the one for the green. So I'm gonna show you how the green one looks completed. This clear thing always has batteries in it. So here's how this one looks like. And I'll show you how it looks like white now. So that's a phone. It doesn't extend or open. I'm going to compare it to my open screwdriver. So I'll show you the difference. This one is closer, like this one's closer to it. And you press this instead of this. And this one doesn't open like that. It doesn't do that. See? That's what's closer to it. Here's how it's supposed to come. It's supposed to come like with this silver one. It's supposed to come like this, but I decided to put it in. And to make this one work, you press this. So I'm going to show you how it looks like regular. So here's how it looks like regular. Here's this one. Whoa. It's awesome. This is awesome. Let's see how it looks like. I got it. It's a flashlight! So we're going to mix them up and make one of those screwdriver right now. That's the funnest thing I want to do. So I'm going to show them how they all work. This one, I'm going to show close. When you press this, it's not nothing in there, so you just press this and you turn on what is in there. This one, you just press this. And this one, go like that. Thanks for watching.